Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out from your Trust Wallet app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Trust Wallet app, and now once you open it, and yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Trust Wallet app on in the screen, where you can see there is a settings option at the top left corner of this dashboard. So let's tap on that settings, and you need to scroll a little bit down, but yeah, let me tell you something, you won't be able to find any kind of logout option in this Trust Wallet app. So if you want to see a demo, then let's tap on the wallets, and now you can see there is a main wallets, and right at the right side you can see there is a three dots as well. So if you tap on it, you can see there is a delete icon at the top, but you won't be able to find any kind of logout option in here. So let's get back, and yeah, so what you can basically do is you can simply clear your data from your Trust Wallet app if you are using Android, and if you are using iOS, then simply remove this app and reinstall it again, and yeah, you will be able to log out from your Trust Wallet app successfully. So basically this is how, and these are the way to log out from your Trust Wallet app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.